Sequences can be very useful for you as a coach. They can also be very useful for you to give to people that you are coaching. Looking at when you are coaching, the sequences that you can use, you should have a process of how you see and look at movement. Most of you would have heard of the kinetic chain. Now, this is a really good way to look at movement. With the kinetic chain, now you're looking at how the foot interacts with the floor. Is it nice and stable? Is there adequate ankle mobility? Looking at the knee, is it stable? At the hip, is it mobile? Lumbar spine, is that stable? Do we have thoracic rotation and good thoracic mobility there? On the flip side of that, giving someone a sequence can also be really, really important. All of these things are working in that beautiful chain or sequence where we can see movement a little bit more and have some clarity around it. Now, that's something that you can use all of the time. Other things that you can use in coaching. If it's weightlifting, you have a sequence there. Stance, grip, position. Before you do anything, start there. That gives you a beautiful sequence to see movement. And then you can take that and look at the finer details after you've seen that first clear picture. If you take the push press, for example, it does require a lot of coordination and skill within that as well. So you can give people an alphabetical sequence. With the push press, the dip can be A, the extension and the press overhead can be B, and you can give them C as they bring the bar back down to their shoulder. They then go straight back through that alphabetical cycle. A, B, C. That person's then putting the letter to the part of the movement where they can focus on having a nice segmented sequence if that is a new skill they're trying to learn. So there's a couple of examples of sequences that can be really good for you using as a coach, but also you giving to a member in the gym that they can take into their training and find very useful as well.